Alright, this video is about multiplying with fraction bars, and we're going to do the sample problem 4 times 1/3. Okay, and the first thing that I want to remind you is that multiplication is still the same as repeated addition. Okay, so 4 times 1/3 is the same as 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay, and I'm going to skip 2 lines here, and I'm going to draw some of these 1/3 bars as though I had fraction bars. I'm going to try to make them about the same size. Okay, and how many of these do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the 1/3 bars are usually black, so that's why I chose to draw these like this. Okay, so what do I have here? I have 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. So what I have is 4/3. And then, again, if I'm thinking about fraction bars, okay, it takes 3 of these thirds to be the same as that one whole bar, right, that big blue one. So I'm kind of coloring that in. So 4/3 is the same as 1 whole and then an extra third, or 1 and 1/3. Okay? Now the other way I can look at this, 4 times 1/3, order doesn't matter in multiplication, so I can also look at it as 1/3 times 4. Okay? And when I am talking about fractions, I don't usually say it's 1/3 times 4. I usually say 1/3 of 4. Okay? And in this case, the of, okay, almost always, of mathematically means to multiply. Okay? So if I say 1/3 of 4, what I'm saying is 1/3 times 4. If I said 1/3 of 8, I would be saying 1/3 times 8. If I said 1/2 of 10, I would be saying 1/2 times 10. Okay? Of mathematically means to multiply. Okay, so I'm just making a note of that for myself. Okay. So 1/3 of 4 means 1/3 times 4. And again, I am thinking about fraction bars, so I'm going to draw for myself 4 of those 1 whole bars. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Okay. Trying to make them all about the same size, or as close as I can get. Okay? So this is 4 of those 1 whole bars that we have in our fraction bar sets. Okay? Now when I say 1/3 of them, I'm saying I want to partition or break up these 4 wholes into 3 equal parts. Okay. So I could think of that like this. Okay. So this would be 1/3, this would be 1/3, and this would be 1/3. And of course, the fraction bar that represents 1/3 of each of these would be that 1/3 bar. Okay? So 1/3 of 4 is 1/3 of each of these 4 bars, which would be how many of these thirds? 4 thirds, okay, which would be 1 and 1/3, okay? So this is multiplying with fraction bars, okay? 4 times 1/3, looking at this as repeated addition, also looking at it as the commutative property that it doesn't matter the order, and remembering that of means multiply.